Hey, BLU fans, what's going on, everybody? Ben here. Thank you for tuning into our channel. BLU is back to bring you not one something, but two somethings, which will be available exclusively on Amazon.com. First, we wanted to bring you the best deal on unlocked devices. We see you, Samsung, hanging out with the A10 as the #1 bestseller in unlocks for $130, so we are bringing it. In fact, it's already been brought in to take back our #1 position, which is going to absolutely crush it as far as getting the most bang for your buck. Introducing the new Vivo XL5, which kills it with a bigger battery, faster processor, double the memory at 64 gigs with 3 gigs of RAM, a huge upgrade in cameras with a 13 megapixel selfie and dual cam setup in the back, and let's not forget fingerprint sensor, all for just $129.99. We're going to be back with an in-depth Vivo XL5 versus Samsung A10 comparison video, but for now, there really is no comparison as it destroys the competition. As if that's not enough, we're also bringing the XL5's little brother, the Vivo X5. For those of you that don't want the XL size with the 6.3-inch display and prefer a device that will fit in one hand, the Vivo X5 packs the same processing and memory configuration as the XL5 at just $99.99. Craziness, as these prices have never been seen before. Well, let's get right to it. Hey, can I hold him? No! Both of these phones have a gorgeous leather pattern design that looks sleek and sexy, looking like something that might cost a few $100s, hey. They also both have a fingerprint sensor on the back in case you don't want anyone snooping around looking at your stuff. Now to the front. The Vivo X5 comes with a vibrant 5.7-inch HD Plus 18:9 display, while the big brother XL5 comes with a 6.3-inch Infinity display with a tiny V-notch, awesome screen-to-body ratio, and extra thin bezels to get the most out of your screen. In addition, the XL5 comes with a huge 4,000 milliamp battery that will get you through the day without having to be attached to a wall outlet like most iPhone or Samsung users. Oh, that's great, man. I wish I could be there with you, but I gotta go. I could be there in like 2 hours. All right, man. I'll talk to you later because... Damn it! Hello? The X5 has a compact design, which fits comfortably in one hand and allows you to reach all points of the screen, while your other hand is free to do whatever you want. Why is this here? The Vivo XL5 comes with an AI-powered dual camera on the back with a 13 megapixel main camera sensor and a second sensor for depth of field for professional-grade portrait mode shots. Also, you get a slew of other cool features such as beautification mode, slow-mo, HDR, live filters, panorama, and more. Don't worry, the Vivo X5's 13 megapixel single sensor comes with all the same features. On the front, the Vivo XL5, you get a 13 megapixel selfie with live portrait mode. The Vivo X5 comes with a refined 8 megapixel sensor with an LED flash on the front for selfies while you are out and about. Turn around. Yes. Am I invading your space? Hope not. Both Vivos come packed with a powerful punch, utilizing a 64-bit, 1.6 GHz Octa-Core chipset with ARM Cortex-A55 architecture, which provides you with a great performance and efficient battery life. It will be able to handle all your daily needs, including the use of AI technology for advanced camera features. We're not doing the shoot again. Both devices are equipped to handle today's never-ending app updates with 64 gigs of internal memory alongside 3 gigs of RAM. You'll have plenty of space for downloading all your favorite music, videos, and pictures. And if you just can't part with all those photos, we're giving you an additional built-in MicroSD slot. The Vivo XL5 and the Vivo X5 will retail exclusively on Amazon.com for $129.99 and $99 respectively. That is a fraction of the price of other smartphones that can do the same thing. And while you're at it, you can buy a few for the entire family without breaking the bank. As I stated before, the Vivo XL5 is available exclusively on Amazon.com at just $129.99, and the Vivo X5 at $99.99. But as always, BLU has got your back, and they're giving you the ultimate launch day deal of having each device $20 off.
But you gotta jump on this quick, because this will only be available while supplies last. Well, hopefully you guys liked the video. Remember to follow us on all our socials and subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the latest with BLU. See you next time. Oh,